Thinking about learning graphic design? Great decision. You're not just learning a skill, you're stepping into one of the world's most in-demand, high-paying career. Now imagine creating powerful visuals for brands, working remotely or landing a high-paying job in Nigeria or across the globe. The opportunities are massive when it comes to graphic design. Graphic design is the act of communicating ideas visually, from eye-catching social media posts to sleek brand designs and UI/UX designs. Graphic designers bring ideas to life using creativity and design tools. Graphic designers are needed everywhere. NGOs, agencies, startups, and even global brands. The roles include brand designer, UI/UX designer, social media content creator, motion graphics, and yes, you can freelance, work remotely, or land high-paying international gigs through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn. To become an expert, here is what you need to learn. Design principles and theory. This is your foundation. Adobe Photoshop for photo editing and manipulation. Illustrator for creating logos and vector graphics. CorelDRAW, this is widely used in Nigeria for designs. Canva, this is used for creating quick designs for social media. UI/UX design tools like Adobe XD and Figma. Branding and identity design to help businesses stand out. Portfolio development to showcase your skills. Now, why choose Bizmaro Technologies? At Bizmaro Technologies, we don't just teach, we mentor you into a successful career. We are committed to offering you practical hands-on training, no crowded classroom, real-life project before you graduate, a dedicated trainer assigned to you to give you a personalized learning, flexible payment plans, making world-class tech education accessible to you. Physical and online classes are available so you can learn from anywhere in the world. And guess what? You don't need a degree to get started. If you have one, that's fine. What matters most is the right training, and that is what Bizmaro is offering you. So don't wait, don't delay. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Register now and start your creative future. See you in class.